Ladies and gentlemen, that is Raghav Chadda, a chartered accountant by training, a reformist by mindset, and one of the youngest member of parliament contributing in debate on finance, governance and accountability.
India is not a dispensable partner anymore, and the sooner the US realizes that, the better it is. We are indispensable. We are a force to reckon with.
How do you handle the criticism or a social media noise?
There's a very famous Hindi saying that I believe in, and I say that to myself very often, which is दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग. If your conscience is clear and if you are able to answer to yourself that you did something which was right for the society, right for the country, right for yourself, and if you're able to justify that to yourself, I don't really care about who is writing what on social media.
You have been very vocal about, the need of social protection for the gig workers.
Every person must have an opportunity to work, but must also have an opportunity to work with dignity. My only request before these quick commerce companies and before the government has been that give these gig workers, these delivery boys, these riders who come and deliver food packages, deserve to work with dignity.
Parliament or CA exam, which one is tougher?
The right question to ask is, what is more difficult, to win an election or to become a chartered accountant? This is the right question, and the right answer is, to become a chartered accountant is much more difficult than winning an election.
What 5 financial policies you will recommend to the government if you become a youngest finance minister of India?
If I do become what you want me to become, then I will not recommend, I will implement. If initiative, intent and implementation are there, all changes will head in the right direction for the betterment of the country, and I'll try and do this if I ever do become what you want me to become.